You have seen bleach tie-dye, and you've probably seen regular tie-dye, but have you seen both at the same time? There's a very good possibility of it, however, that's what I'm doing today. I am doing both of these on the same pair of pants in an effort to make them look marble. My name is Michaela, by the way. Nice to meet you. Welcome to the channel. These are the sweatpants that I'm going to be tie-dyeing. They are gray and they're old, so let me check the fabric type actually, if these are not cotton. All right, it says 50% cotton, 50% polyester, which is slightly stressful because it should be 100% cotton for this tie-dye thing to really work out. But we're gonna do it anyway. The other thing that I'm worried about is it's very light gray, so I'm afraid the bleach isn't actually gonna do anything. However, what my goal is to bleach them first to get a bunch of white spots and then use black dye to put in some black spots so that there's going to be spots of white, this gray, and black on these pants. That's the goal. I'm gonna show you what they look like on now. Here's what they look like before. They're kind of pulling in Aladdin. They're a little bit too short for me, but I'm okay with it. I'll still wear them if they're really cute. All right, step one is I'm going to elastic band these up. When you tie-dye clothing, it needs to be not polyester. Chemically, it doesn't make any sense, and they won't dye. I learned this the hard way very recently when I went to a tie-dye party with some of my friends. I brought a t-shirt, tank top, another t-shirt, and a swimsuit. And the tank top, I literally worked so hard on it. It was beautiful. There were colors of the sunset on this tank top. I was so proud of it. And then when we washed it out, all the color came out, and now it's just gray. It's not even white. Like, I can't even do anything else with it because it's gray. Like, it's gross gray, which is very, very disappointing. So that's why I'm a little bit concerned about this one, because it's literally going to be polyester. So I'm afraid that it's going to be not working out for that reason. Okay, I've got my spiral. I'm going to mix the bleach mixture now. I should probably use some more, huh? Okay, that's too much, Michaela. I'm excited, but I'm just, like, I'm stressed because, like, okay, so that was a great idea. I just literally poured bleach and then put my finger directly inside of my eyeball. All right, welcome to my yard. I cannot see very well, so I hope that you can see me. I have the bleach here. I have my bundle of pants. I'm basically just taking spoonfuls and putting it on the pants. I wonder if this bleach is gonna have like a bad impact on the grass. I sure hope not. Now I'm flipping it over. Alright, I'm just pouring the rest of the bleach on. Now I'm going to leave the bleach in. I'm gonna set a timer and I'm gonna leave this bleach sitting in there for 30 minutes and then I'm going to wash the pants. It has been 30 minutes since we put the bleach. Can you see me? Oh, I hate that. That's so annoying. And it... Oh gosh, it smells so, and it's so hot. It doesn't look any different. It does not look like any bleach did anything. I'm going to rinse it out anyway, just in case it might have done something, but I actually think that this might have just not happened, and that's okay. It smells so strong though. Okay, cool, so I just touched myself with the bleach. There's not much bleach on this at all. Well, it's okay, because I don't even think it did anything. So that was a little bit of a waste of time. The bleach did nothing to the pants that I can see right now. But I rinsed out the pants and now they're pretty wet, and I re-circled them in a different pattern, so hopefully the black dye is going to hit it in a different way, I guess. This is the dye that I'm using. This is not normal dye because I basically use only a little bit of it. I have to add it to hot water with a little bit of salt and a little bit of dish soap. So in this cup I have a little bit of, can you actually see? Does it matter? In this cup there is hot water, a little bit of salt, and a little bit of dish soap. So I'm going to make the black dye real quick. Oh, I should shake it up first, huh? This is what the black dye looks like with the dish soap and everything. And this is what the sweatpants look like right now. I'm just gonna use the same method. Am I sitting in the bleach spot? I'm just kind of pouring. I'm afraid that I just tie-dyed these black, like just dyed them black. What if I just did? What if I just wasted my time and just tie-dyed this black right now? So this is what they look like now. I'm afraid that I literally just tie-dyed the whole thing black, like as in made it mostly black and barely any gray, like any spots, like literally just dyed it black, which would be really annoying if I did just do that. But I'm gonna leave it to sit until tomorrow and then we'll see. All right, it is the next day. I left the pants out overnight. Hold on, wait. I don't know if you can see this, but there's like brown. Wow, these came out sick. I hope that they wash the same. I hope that all the cool stuff does not just wash out. That looks so cool. There's like a bunch of colors in it. Oh my gosh. Also, yes, I did just leave them on my lawn. Hello? There's an animal out there. Wow. All right, I'm gonna rinse these out and then put them into the washing machine. Why am I out of breath? I literally just walked outside. Okay, I'm gonna put them in the washing machine and then I'll try them on to show what they look like now. All right, it took me forever to attempt to rinse it out in my sink. There was so much dye still coming out of it, and I'm afraid that I turned them purple, like the parts that were not dyed turned purple, so I put it on a quick wash. I hope that's enough. I also put soap and stuff in. I hope that that's okay. We'll see. So this is the finished product. Oh my gosh, someone just drove by. How embarrassing. Anywho. So this is the finished product. I think that the front is kind of boring, but the back is cool because look, there's like splatters. The sun is over here now, which it was not over here before. But anyway, this is what they look like. They're still doing the Aladdin. It's like weirdly purple tinged, like a little bit. Those orange marks did not stay. I wish it could have stayed exactly the way that it looked when we came out, but when it washed, it kind of dyed all the gray purple a little bit, and the orange stuff's all gone. But I still think it's cool. So yeah, kind of marble pants, kind of not marble pants. I don't know what I would call them. But they're cooler than what I had before, so I'm okay with it. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this DIY type of video this week. I still don't have any ideas of what to paint, but I'm hoping something just comes to me. I also want to just say real quick, I did get a job, and I start this upcoming Friday, which is actually the day that this video should be getting released, so that'll be the first day of my new job. You know, this channel was started just because I was like really sad and bored in quarantine, and so I needed another project to kind of pour myself into, because when I was at school I was doing a bunch of different projects and stuff, and then when all of that ended it was just like nothing to fill it. So that's why I started a YouTube channel, was because I needed a hobby. I like needed a project to work on, so that's kind of why this channel exists in the first place. I'll be getting a job, and I'll have to see with that new schedule how often I'll be able to upload from then on, because this like so far it's been pretty okay being able to upload once a week, but once I get a job we'll have to see, or once I start my job we'll have to see. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed it. Like this video for sure. Please help me. It helps the algorithm. I don't know how, but I've just noticed that it helps the algorithm if you just like the video. Comment on the video. I will reply. I want to know what you think. If you decide to do the project, send me the pictures of it or something like that, like through DM or something. I would love to see it. I would definitely repost it to my Instagram story because it would just be so cool. What I wish I had done is did the dye first and then bleached it. I wonder if that would have been different. So yeah. Oh, there's a chipmunk running around. I wonder if I could change these. I wonder if I could like add jewels or bedazzle them or do something like just to make them kind of more interesting or something like that. Maybe I'll get an iron on something. Like an iron on M. Low-key, I might do that. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.